We are excited to announce the Trollwood Mentorship Program, a new partnership between Trollwood Performing Arts School and the Fargo Public Schools Virtual Academy. This program was designed to give students the best of both worlds, allowing students to maintain the flexibility of the Virtual Academy while giving them the hands-on experience of specialized artistic training. All we need from students is the desire to explore an artistic passion.
So I am the student mentor for the Trollwood Mentorship Program. My role is to connect students that are enrolled in the Virtual Academy, whether full-time or hybrid, with artist mentors in the area to work on specific skills in the areas of their interest.
As soon as I heard about it, I was bouncing off the walls, basically. I am so excited because this is what I've been looking for. It's completely different than what I was expecting. In my mind, it was just like, oh, this is an acting thing. Like, oh, this is just like a hobby thing. It'd be good to get out and move and things like that. But it is so much more than that.
Nothing's off limits as we do this. My job is to connect students with the opportunities that we can find for them. They have their specific interests, and I am specifically interested in those.
I'm going to be a senior next year, and I'm currently at Fargo South, but next year I will be doing hybrid. I kind of imagine it to kind of just be like where it'll just be theater my entire day, because I'll do my schoolwork in the morning, and then hopefully I'm here to do Trollwood stuff, and then I'm gonna go straight to South to do the play there and the musical there and the one acts there and improv there.
So what's special about the Virtual Academy? Imagine having school on your own terms, so that instead of fitting your life around the school schedule fits into your life. You know, to be able to take an online class but get it done when you want to. I think that's a great flexibility option for a lot of students.
If anyone would ever be thinking or wanting to do anything like this, anything in the arts, just take a look at it and don't let the opportunity pass you by.
To find out more about the Trollwood Mentorship Program, go to our website at www.trollwood.org, call or email us. Enroll today by filling out our commitment form found on our website.